In this video, I am going to compare Roku and Fire Stick to help you decide which streaming device is the best fit for your needs. First, let's start with the user interface. Roku offers a straightforward and user-friendly interface that organizes channels into categories, making it easy to navigate. Fire Stick, on the other hand, features a more content-driven interface that prioritizes Amazon services, which may appeal to those already invested in the Amazon ecosystem. When it comes to content availability, both devices support a wide range of streaming services, including Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube. However, Fire Stick has an edge with its integration of Amazon Prime Video, allowing Prime members easy access to their content. Roku, while not tied to any specific service, provides a broad range of channels, and its search feature allows you to find content across multiple platforms. In terms of performance, both devices offer smooth streaming experiences, but the Fire Stick typically has more processing power, resulting in faster load times. Additionally, Fire Stick supports Alexa voice control, making it easy to search for content, control playback, and manage smart home devices using voice commands. Roku has its own voice search feature, but it may not be as comprehensive as Alexa. Another consideration is pricing. Both Roku and Fire Stick offer a range of models at different price points, so you can choose one that fits your budget. Generally, Roku devices tend to be slightly more affordable, while Fire Stick devices may offer additional features for a higher price. Ultimately, the choice between Roku and Fire Stick will depend on your personal preferences, the services you use, and whether you're already part of the Amazon ecosystem. Both devices are excellent choices for streaming, so consider what features matter most to you. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.